Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish drawing easy. Start by sketching an oval for the body and a triangle for the tail, then map fin placement and eye position with light strokes to check proportions. Use simple curved guidelines for the dorsal and pectoral fins and erase overlaps as you refine. Practice each step slowly, then speed up with quick studies to build confidence and consistency in your fish shapes. Start this stage by simplifying every fish into a few basic shapes so you can control proportion and pose. Draw a rounded head shape, a larger body oval, and a tapered tail block, then connect them with smooth contour lines. Use light guideline marks to place the eye, mouth, and fin anchors. Repeat the breakdown for several species so your hand learns different body ratios and flow patterns. If you're finding these fish drawing tips useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading reference guides and tutorials anywhere without strain, and it's compact enough to take to park sketch sessions. It's a handy little upgrade for artists who study while traveling. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on selective detail to keep drawings readable and lively without overworking them. Indicate scale texture with short curved strokes in bands rather than full coverage, and vary line weight to emphasize the body contour and fin edges. Soften belly transitions and add a small highlight in the eye to create life. Finish by stepping back and erasing distracting guidelines, then ink or shade where you want the strongest contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.